and I started hearing this. So I immediately started looking for where that dripping was coming from. There it is. That's where the leak was, and saw it coming through that light fixture there. All of my cabinets were soaked. The tile floor in here was soaked. It even damaged the hardwood, and the hardwood was lifting up off the floor, warped. We called Todd Hart, and Todd, he took care of us so far. Todd took out the sheetrock right here. He put in some fans. They're machines that suck moisture out of the ground. Todd's a good man, and he's a very personable person. And you can tell he cares. I hope that we'll get this done speedily.